You see, back then, health services, chitari devolved, passe, or we get evolution, naki doing what or a maendeleo rogo.
Muno,
yes,
muno.
Maudo mane hado nyairo vili. Nema difu, fido makorago,
makorago matura.
Nya don't you need a chagin. Yes, Tene maudo maega yetura, koiwa at your dotion number access services taicho. Yes. You see, the gave me at the Museum Monari at the Makora Wakiri. Wow,
Wakiri family.
Yes,
Wakiri.
Yes, Nemoka Kuri Gatia and Co. Advocates. At the Menashida and Matomaga. Oh,
Wakiri.
Wow. I don't like a magetakasi. Nadia Shira Gawata Nawako Hanatia. Tondu wathia ica ikigima
ni kwari ginya na moral support.
Yes, mundu aithi gweteka cira especially wa mugunda mwathia mwe entitled uraj
gutire mundu ungiathire cira wiki
ni mungigwi ati mundu ati makona wakiri wao
ati ni aigite wakiri.
Yes, ati ni wathia kumwetekera ke
cira
kana kaigwa ati family na nimakona ndagitari wao thika.
Family doctor
maudu mari unheard of.
Family doctor.
Yes.
No, the masses depended on the available doctors in the available public facilities.
Absolutely. And government extension services. Like immunization. Yes. Na kadi dogo. Yes. Actually, maudu mamweta dentist today. Ndagitari wa magego. Specialist. Mathi rogo thutha muno. Aya private practice. Yes. Tene ndagitari wa magego. Onekaga, I don't know the modern day sitago level K.
Sana ni mathibitari mare metagwo district.
Yes.
No muthi ni mo county rifaro.
Exactly.
Yes.
Na kuona ndagitari wa magego ri. Etio muthenya is not a walking.
Asa.
Yes.
Waigua ati okaga Thursday ya mbere.
Yes.
Every month.
Yes. No hata nukaga herbs ya kuoreria igego for a while.
Wetere ndagitari agoka jenuru.
Yes. Na ni wamenyaga wega muthenya uria ndagitari wa magego nagu tondu this is not profiling tondu matatu-ini ri ni wona andu mahana ta makiritie kindu no ni igego rina ki
ria atura
ukaiga mundu oria kai wa magego aronwo muthi
muthi ni ria gukaga kuria jenuru
nikuo wathie yakure guturete ihinda riigana atia
ni njikarite o ciumia ithatu
niona ni njagite toro oi ndakiuga ndi murokere na ni mwathi ya mwakora the good decides not to show up
without an apology.
No, ndagitari metagwo specialist. They used to play hide and seek with the public. Yes. Why korate ndagitari utonetwo ku mieri.
Yes.
Na ni arehagwo ni thirikari.
Wega biu.
Ugathi na murimu waku. Ugacoka okay.
Ugacoka mucii.
Yes.
Ukerwo ati ngugure tutawa.
Yes.
Twakuhoreria.
And you know, ideally, ndagitari onacio magego ni matiana uyu wa Shine Dental irogo. Their core business was what? Gukura. Ala moda uga ndathi guthondekwo igego. Ndathi
gukurwo.
Riu ni mwagega muno. Mwiguite family na kwa muthoni marathire na mutungu wao thika kuihurio ki
magego.
Kerigo, where is that luxury? Uraihurio wiki atia
ngoa hiyo meno
ngoa acio alikuwa anitisainya uga ndawa hiyo niki nikukura kwaje riu kungiokia atika kana karari feeling dental feeling wakira tefu
eka
teku ni kuria githeri. So the concerns were very basic.
Kuria githeri na nyama
Roma tuone niratura ngaiye to ithu to menyana igore ara hethi na wathie kuria na andå mauga atä må ndå icu they would sell fear to us matå arä kå na fura
na fura ithi
so you used to dread ndakora he services rugongo
itiarä nyoneki
no they were not ati marathire kwä wakiri wao apahiro yes mena cira ona tu ucio nä ciagäåka gä cagi thutha-inä å yå wakora atä he mwarimå wandäkagwo ekithie ciana revision yes I never used to see those things
no they were not there
ati mwarimu ukaigua ni okaga Saturday family na kumafundithia at personalized
personalized learning
revision ne we kina na tawa anyu haria wahorera wiki atia
maguta mathiro thitoro
absolutely tirune he mwarimu roka
te wandikirwo private tutor
timetable yes never mind the families that had those privileges back then ciana ciao ciaringaga thĩ take
ake kuya kiuga kuria kwi nyama gutire mwaki
na kuria gwekirire mbere
tie nyama
thikå ici wĩiguaga atä nginya gä cagi wĩiguaga gwĩ services cia fumigation yes i må ndå ũkaga kå huhä ra kå ndå kwä na nyenje nyenje was not a concern
å cio ti å ndå å ngä amakiria andå
yes aci nä kä ndå kä agai andå wega piå må kona you have to take measures nä ngå ngåni
no cio ingä må heire pressure
na maugä ra ndawa iho yetagwo marathion
na nä acoka ekaigwo haraihu na andå amwe andå arä a suicide
yes andå mareba nä mathurete na kå exit
gwä unit
yes na må ngä huä marathioni rä nä mwambe mume kwanyu thikå ta igä rä yes
tondå nayo
yes
inatararä ka
until you are sure the coast is
clear
atä wigua atä kwä andå marokire kå huhä rä rwo mama waruta wä ra gwa kanjå Nairobi marokire kå u na andå marahuhä ra ithuä twahuhä raga mä mera
ti wadudu
nä å ndå wa powdery mildew tene some things people take for granted were not available
te mwä family lawyer
yes that family doctor some of us we don't have medical history
tondå na kandi na tå mungu tå rä a twahåthagä ra rä
yes
nä ciakirie mä aki
you see no one even used to document them even at the hospital
you know we wathiaga na rekondi yaku
yes.
na rekondi yaku nä kabuku kau kana kandi ä yo
rä
u å guo wagä gate kana wakia mwaki na kå rä you have burnt the entire system
na gå kinya atä nä kå hingå ra bairå that was a critical illness na rä mwe nä wathiaga bairå ekahutä ka ndä reka atä
ndä roneka
never mind you had to do some incentive yoneke atä medical record waigua andå makiuga atä rä rä nä warikana ng'ania hä ndä ä rä arwarä te there is nothing formal
medical record harä hakiri-inä
yes tene ndå ngä akå ria atä å rarutä rwo ti medical record anjä ria this is the prognosis the diagnosis treatment procedure what have you orisikia wapi
na gatene ona nginya mabeti narä matiarä aingä
aca matiarä aingä
you see like today there are many private practitioners ya veterinary
there are very many
rä u nä å koraga må rä mi nä arä veterinary wake in case ng'ombe kana å hiå wake wagä a icio ageta veterinary wake
tene nä nyina wa mbethi
no you relied on government veterinaries
yes and they would be very rare to find
you see riu aracabå karä tä nene
ta rä u ng'ombe you know the good thing is the veterinary akoragwo loko må ndå wa gå ka nä thikå ici they are based anywhere rä u makoraga ng'ombe yagä a kä ndå gä two emergency o tuku nä må ringe magå rå nginya kwao
kwa veterinary wa itå ra rä u wa thirikari
nake må mwarahå rä o tuku
mwä yandä kithi akamå cabu må rä a mbere
yes
hakuhĩ mũmũikarie nĩgetha auma mũkaumania nake
Kanoke ona nĩguo andũ mekaga.
Yes.
Kwĩrekia kũu. Thinacara ĩkĩhanda mwĩ bara. Yes. Kana mbũrũgũtũ na cuba ya liquid. Ng'ombe ĩkĩarũrũkwo rĩmwe mũkaigua nĩ yacoka kĩ?
Nĩyacoka muoyo.
Mũkĩrora meretie mbũgũ ya kĩ? Kaikondo.
No, more there are very many private practitioners. Really?
Things have changed. Kũrĩa rũgongo. Yes.
Nĩ thaa kenda na 39.